What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2019. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Excited to have you here. Make sure you subscribe, become part of the family. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So again, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2019. So let's do this. All right, so I'm right in my computer, and I know a lot of people would love to get their YouTube videos monetized, and especially some people want to use it for a living, some people probably for a hobby, some people just want to take the money and reinvest it into something else. So whatever it is, it's always good to earn a little bit of money here and there, especially from YouTube. And I know a lot of people out there is trying their hardest and their best to get monetized. So I'm going to jump into things, and I'm going to show you how you can get monetization in 2019. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to YouTube features. So if you go into YouTube features right here, you click on channel, you'll see right here where it says monetization eligible. I can click on enable. Now here's the thing about this, right? My other channel is connected to this one, so I'm eligible for monetization. However, I don't have the criteria, which I'm going to share with you. So if you click on here, you probably will see some people's channel will say not eligible. Some people will say eligible, even though you will try and you don't get approved. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So if you click on where it says enable, right here it says monetization. Account status, monetization not enabled. So I'm not even enabled to do that yet. So you can apply for monetization at any time. To be reviewed, all channels need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and help to protect the creator community. Now, here are the steps. Apply for monetization. First, you have to read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. So you got to make sure you click on where it says start, go through it, all the type of stuff. Next thing you want to do is check to see if you have 4,000 hours. You probably will see, and you will know that, yeah, I already have 1,000 subscribers, but I don't know if I have 4,000 watch hours, right? So you want to jump right over here where it says analytics. Click on analytics, and then it's going to pop up. It's going to pop up. Once it pop up, all you got to do is just come down where it says watch time right here. So you click on watch time. Once you click on watch time, it's going to show up. Now, right here, it's just showing that January 3rd to January 30th. I'm using my secondary account just for show and tell. So the next thing you want to do, you want to click on where it says compare metric. Click down where it says more metrics. And then you want to go down here where it says watch time hours. So if you click on watch time hours, once you click on watch time hours, then you will see right here watch time hours. Now, do keep in mind that this is not showing the accurate time because you need 4,000 watch hours in 12 months. So in space of a year, within a year. So right here is showing incorrect. So all you got to do is just come over here, and I click on this time right here, and then I said, you can click on where it says custom range, or you could say last 365 days. So if I click on this, you probably won't see a lot of watch hours because I really don't upload on this channel, right? So if you come here, you see 11 hours watch time. Not enough, so I'm not even close. So if you click on it and you don't see 4,000 watch hours, unfortunately, you cannot apply. Well, you can apply, but you will get denied. And sometimes people do have over 4,000 watch time and also 1,000 channels, subscribers, and they still don't get approved. So it all depends because remember, there's people who are paying YouTube to advertise on your channel. So what value are you bringing to the marketplace? You got to keep in mind. So that's why it's very good to go into a niche that you think is hot, and then you think a lot of people who actually watch those things, and your channel will get monetized. I don't know what they're looking for, but just give it a shot. Anyways, now some of you probably wonder, how long is this process? Now, I'm going to jump back over here and I'm going to tell you exactly how it works. So let's go back to where we were, right? So right here, once you get approved, the next thing you have to do is sign up for AdSense, set up monetization preferences, right? And then the next thing you have to do is get reviewed. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you apply. So as you see down here, we will email you a decision within a month or so. So if you want to know how long, a month or so, right? So they say within a month. It could be longer. Who knows? I applied for mine on Sunday, and I got accepted on Wednesday. So it took me, let's say, 3 days. Again, it all depends what type of channel. That was really quick because I've heard horror stories and a lot of people saying that they wait a long time and haven't get approved. But hopefully you guys get approved. I'm with you. This is your year. 2019 is your year. All right, so let me just jump over to the next section of this video. So now you get approved, you get the email from YouTube. Congratulations, you are approved to be a part of our YouTube partner program. Now you're excited, you're ready to go. Now you need to know how to put the ads on the actual video. When I got approved, mine's literally just got like everything was monetized, because in the beginning, I just click on everything. So all my videos just get monetized. Now, if you did not do all that if you did not check that off, you didn't do that, it's okay. I'm going to show you how you could do that. Now you can click on where it says all. Right here, click on this and it will just select all. Not all, but on the page itself. So imagine if you do like 300 videos or 1,000 videos. You're not going to have the time to go through every single one of them. So you can click on where it says select all. Once you select all, then you want to click here where it says action, and then you click boom, monetized. And all of them will be monetized. Now, if you want to, you've seen a lot of videos where they put like multiple different ads within a video, and it's like ad. Well, here's what you can do. As long as your videos are over 10 minutes, you could do that. So you want to scroll down here and find a video. Let's say this one right here, I'll click on it. And the next thing I'll do is I'll click on where it says edit. Once I click on edit, then the video is going to pop up, right? And then if you look here, you see monetization. So you can click on where it says monetization. You can turn it on, or you can add a little bit of breaks in it. So you could put it before video, right? You can click where it says after video as well. And you can insert ad breaks in bulk. Okay, so I could click here and I could be like, all right, for example, see they show the example? So I could put like 2:30, 6:30. And then I click insert ads. So it goes 1, 2, or I can even move it down where it says, I'll just edit that and put the ads down a little bit to around like 12:30, right? So see, I got 1, 2, 3, and 1 at the end, 4. So there's 4 ads, insert ad, boom, and click where it says insert ad. And then all I have to do is click on where it says save changes. Now that video has ads in them, right? So that's all you got to do is just put it in, and whatever ads you want to pick, whatever format, you could just select it. If I want to click on none skip video ad, or I want to click on where it says skippable video ads, all that type of stuff, it doesn't matter. All right. And then you could click on save changes, and then you're good to go. All right. So let's move on to the next phase of this, how to monetize your videos in 2019. So now you're super excited. You're pumped. You're ready to go. Now you know how it's all set up. Now, the third step of this process is, how do you get paid? Now, as I mentioned earlier, you're going to sign up for AdSense in that steps that I showed you earlier. And that's the way they're going to pay you. So once you get paid, right, you can get check, you can get bank wire, you can send it directly into your account, or you can get paid via PayPal. So you want to make sure that you set it up where it's going to be easy and convenient for you. So yeah, if you live in the US, great. You can ask for a check, or you can send it directly deposit. For people overseas, I highly recommend you get a PayPal account or something so you can get paid. If you don't have PayPal in your country, then you want to find a way how to get the money to you. So you probably want to set it up in your bank where they can at least transfer that over to your bank. So I hope this video helps, and I just wanted to share with you guys how you can monetize your YouTube videos in 2019. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you got any questions, hey, feel free to drop them in the comments. And of course, if you're looking or trying to find a way how to make money online, check out the very first link in the description to see exactly what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.